If you clicked on this video, chances are you've already faced losses in crypto. But don't worry. I'm about to share a strategy that will turn your losses into profits. No more guessing or panic selling. Today, I'm revealing the secret strategy the pros use and how you can apply it even with a small portfolio. Stick with me until the end, because I'm not just sharing the strategy, I'm giving you a step-by-step blueprint to crush 2025's crypto market. This one strategy could be the difference between surviving and thriving in crypto. Here's the problem most crypto traders face. They either overtrade, panic sell, or blindly follow hype without a real system. Think about it. Have you ever bought Bitcoin at its peak or sold Ethereum just before it surged? It's not your fault, it's because you lack a real strategy. I know this from personal experience. Back in 2018, my $1,000 portfolio dropped to $200, and that's when I realized the importance of having a structured strategy. I don't want you to make the same mistakes. So, let me break down the one strategy you need to succeed in crypto trading. Don't chase after pumps. Wait for assets to hit key support zones. You can use simple tools like the 200 EMA and the RSI below 30 to find these entry points. Every trade you take should risk only 1% to 2% of your total portfolio. Small losses will keep you in the game, but big losses can wipe you out. Nobody can perfectly time the market. Use trailing stop losses to lock in profits once your trade is 5% to 10% in the green. Always trade with a market bias. Is it bullish, bearish, or sideways? Your strategy should match the market's direction. Trading isn't about winning every time. It's about having a system that wins over time. Patience, risk management, sniper entries, that's the real formula for crypto success. If you like this breakdown and want me to show a full live trading session using this exact strategy, smash that like button and subscribe, because we're just getting started.